You are American. You don't have any Eritrean or Ethiopian background. And so what made you decide to learn how to read and write in Tigrinya?
First off, I married an Eritrean woman. Also, the area I live in, there's biggest, well, supposed to be the biggest Habesha community outside of Africa, in Washington, D.C. area. So I'm used to seeing signs in Tigrinya and Amharic. So I was always curious to learn. So I signed up for it and I loved it, and ready to continue with the next part of the course. I was just so surprised at how much I learned, and maybe it's the way you teach it that makes it easier, but I found it not so difficult. Definitely when we have our own kids, we're definitely gonna have them in these courses as well. So I would definitely encourage and recommend my kids to anyone, wanting to learn the language and the culture, because in learning the language, you learn so much more about the culture also. And learning stuff that I had to tell my wife, because she didn't, she can understand it, but she didn't know where certain things came from, certain elements to the language and certain words. So it's so much that I learned in just the first course. So it motivates me to keep going.
Culture is cool.